Hey guys, welcome back to another new video, and in today's video I'm going to again give you one tutorial on After Effects. This is the next tutorial on After Effects, which is titled Position Paths inside of After Effects. So basically we're going to animate objects in paths inside of After Effects. So without any further delay, let's get started. Alright, so if you haven't watched my previous videos of After Effects, then you can watch it on my channel, and it will be linked above in the I button as well. Alright, so I'm going to create one new project and one new composition. We will name it Paths, and it's 920 and 1080 pixels, 30 frame rate, and the background color is black. Duration is 30 seconds. I'll click on OK, and our composition has been created. I will import a file, this one, and I'll click on open, and I will take it over here. Okay, so it's pretty big, so I will make it small, like this. It's pretty big size. So now we will animate it from here to here, for example. So I want the flower to move from here to here. So what I will do is I will go to position, and I will add one keyframe over here, and it's and the position of the flower is here. Now I will take it to like 2 seconds, and I will move it from here to here. So the flower has been animated from here to here. See that the flower moves from here. Make the work area a bit smaller, just like that, and see, this is how it's animated, and it's pretty slow. If you want to make it a bit faster, you can just bring the keyframe a little bit closer to the other keyframe, so it's now a bit faster. And see over here that when we animated this kind of a line with some dots is created. So this line is the path in which the flower is getting animated, and these dots are the frames. So the flower is moving this much frames in this animation, and if we like take the keyframe away from the other keyframe, then you can see that the dots it increases in number. It means that the flower now moves for more time, or you can say for more frames, so it moves slower than before. And if you just take the keyframe closer, so you can see that the dots get less in number, so the flower will now move for less time, just like that. Now when we make this a bit faster, you can see that the animation is not that smooth. Over here the animation is not so smooth. For example, if we see something going really fast from our side, we see it with kind of a blur in it, so we can also do it here. Over here on this layer you can see these circles, right? It is called motion blur, so you can turn it on. Over here you can see there is a blur effect in our animation, so it feels a lot more smoother than before, just like that. So like this you can add blur into your animation and make it look more smooth. Alright, so next what we are going to learn is I will delete all the keyframes, and I will make the work area a bit bigger, just like that. So if I want to animate it from here to here, and then it will go down, it will go this side, and then finally it will come over here again. So if you want to animate like that, what you can do is I'll just give one keyframe over here. I will move it a bit for 1 second, for example, and I will move it from here to here. Now if you want to do that more easily, you can just change the values from here as well, the X value basically. Then I will move it further 1 second, and I will animate it from here to the down direction. So we will change the Y value just like that. Now when I will do it, what we will see is that it bends over here. It's not straight line. So if you want to make it straight, select this anchor point, right click on it, and go to keyframe interpolation. From there, in spatial interpolation, make it linear and click on OK. So now see that the line becomes straight. Now we'll again go further 1 second, and I will move it to the left hand side. You can just do it with your mouse easily over here, and again select this, right click on it, go to keyframe interpolation and select linear. So it will again become straight. Now I will go further 1 second away, and I will move it over this direction. Alright, so there was a slight mistake over here, and it would be here, right? So now again, just select this, right click, go to keyframe interpolation, select linear, click on OK. So it again becomes straight. So now you can see that it goes from here, then down, then again, then here. So basically that's a smooth animation that we just created. So just like this you can create this. Now it's a bit irritating. We created this and then we were right clicking going to keyframe interpolation and we were doing that. So it's a bit irritating. So if you don't want to do this, what you can do is you can go to Photoshop and create one artboard of the same size as your video. So my video was 1920 and 1080, and I will create one artboard of 1920 and 1080, and I will click on create. Now here I will create one rectangle from here, just like this. I will create one rectangle, no fill, and I will select this and I will press on Command C on my keyboard to copy this. I go to After Effects, select the position of your layer and press Command V to paste it. Okay. So Command V, Command C, and then After Effects, Command V. So you can see that is done. So if I do this, so you can see this again goes from here and here. So it's a bit simple. Now sometimes what happens is it starts from the wrong direction. The animation, it starts from the wrong direction. So what you can do is you can go to Photoshop. I will just delete the rectangle, for example, and I will use the pen tool from here, and I will create one just like this. So basically the way we will start it, for example, like this. This is not a rectangle, this is an irregular kind of path. I will paste it here again, just like this. So you can create like this as well. So it will the animation will start where you just put the dot at the first, and will go like that. So yes, like this you can create the paths in After Effects. Alright, I'll delete the keyframes again. Now we'll do some other thing. So now I will create one triangle like this. This is a triangle, and basically what I will do is I will color it. First of all, I will make a fill of red color. Looks pretty good. Now I will crop the artboard like this. And I will save this file. Save on your computer, and I will name it triangle, and I will save it in documents. Next, what I will do is I will create another file of the same dimensions, and I will create a circle basically. So I'll click on ellipse tool, and I will create one circle just like this. Now on After Effects, I will import that file. Click on open, click on OK. I will take it over here. You can see just like this. This white color background has come though. So you can just simply mask it. Let's take the pen tool. Okay, so the masking is done. Now what I will do is I will take that path, this one. I'll press Command C, and here in position I'll press Command V and see. This is our path now, and to make it a bit smaller, and I will rotate it like this. Now if I turn the animation on, you can see it goes like this, which doesn't feel that good. I want it to rotate in every frame. So to do that, what I will do is I will select this triangle. I'll go to layer, and I will go to transform. I'll go to auto orient along path, click on OK, and done. Next, if I turn it on, see, it happens like this. Now if I want to add motion blur into it, you can just simply turn on the motion blur and see, it looks pretty good. So that's how we can animate things using a path in After Effects. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.